seconds ago, I placed literally 3 lucky cat mines in the Super Animal Royale. And there is absolutely no way somebody's gonna step in it. And I'm serious because if it does, the place is probably in a skunk gas right now. People stepping in it is most unlikely. Right now, I'm just focused on winning. With my BCG and silenced pistol here. Kinda not the best loadout, but it's the best I can do. M16, let's go. Hold on, was it reloaded? I don't know. Thomas Gunn will do. Wait, what? Supreme dominance? Oh my god. There's no way. How is that? Wait. I said let me cook. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get that supply crate. No more bananas holding. Aww. Well, cup grade is the most important one out of this game, in my opinion. Banana, 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 banana. In case if people want to jump in it. Well, I'm gonna sit right here. I'm gonna camp. Nah, this isn't a good spot. Nah, I don't think so. Alright, I'm gonna hide behind here then. Oh, the skunk gas is right there. Come on. Okay, then I'm gonna get it. How? Jag 7? I'm taking it. Wait. No, I forgot. But why do I want to step on the bananas? What? I feel like changing to M16. It's more power. Wait, I didn't reload it? Oh, god dang. Enemy. Yay! Okay, 2 players left. So at this point, it's a showdown or a duel. Heal up. No time to tape. What? Oh no, I need to fall back. Fall. Wait, yay! Thank you for watching this video, viewers, subscribers, and people.